check out this SSD hard drive installation after the intro. Alright, we're going to check out an SSD hard drive installation. It's the Crucial M4 128GB SSD into a late model 2011 MacBook Pro. So first we start with taking out the screws. Note that there's 3 screws in the top right that are longer than the first one, so keep them separate, not like I did in this video. Right here we have the normal internal IDE hard drive. First you got to take out, remove the plug there, and just follow the instructions. Basically, we're gonna take out the old hard drive, put the new one in. Definitely added a speed boost to the startup and the actual running of the machine. If you max out your RAM and you get an SSD hard drive, you're pretty much sitting pretty. This thing used to, the fan used to come on quite a bit, but since I put in that hard drive, never. So yeah, it's pretty awesome. It's an easy upgrade, and the smaller hard drives are much cheaper now. Crucial is a great brand. Never had a problem with my particular hard drive. I decided to go with the smaller one because at the time it was cheaper, and then I would just run Firewire hard drives. But yeah, I have a newer Mac now with the soldered in hard drive. I think it's soldered in the flash drives, which are not the same as these 2.5 drives. But yeah, I just wanted to do a little video. Found this in the archive, so just decided to throw it up. If you have any questions, throw them in the comments. But there's tons of these videos out there, and it's pretty self-explanatory. I believe the only thing is that you need a T6 or T5 something screwdriver, which I will list in the description there. But enjoy. Good luck.
You are being hypnotized by the sun to subscribe or not.